Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Belle Aesthetics. This is basically an everyday makeup look. It's super simple, super easy. Once you get the steps down packed, it'll be 15-minute routine. Everything that I use, well actually some of the stuff that I use will be seen in the video, but I will list them all down below. And yeah, so basically this is my second video on the page technically, but I rebranded the whole thing. I didn't feel like it was necessary to delete my first video because that just shows my growth. But yeah, so this is the first video back, shall I say, and there's vlogs to come, story times, I like to call them tea times, and makeup tutorials, you know, anything you guys want, let me know and I will put y'all on. Wig reviews, stuff like that. It's just gonna be, it's gonna be a great time on this page. So I hope you guys love the video and watch it. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a everyday look with you guys, and I'm going to be starting off doing my eyebrows. Right now I am outlining them and then I will be filling them in. And I will repeat that process for the next eyebrow. Guys, I want you to remember that your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So please don't get frustrated if you're doing your eyebrows and they do not look the same, because 9 times out of 10 you can fix it when you clean it up, which I'm going to show you right now. So right here I'm cleaning them up. I actually did them too thick, so I went in again and I thinned them out a little bit more. So right here I am cleaning the top part of my brow. This is optional. Some people you'll see they'll use a concealer that is their skin tone, so it looks a little bit more natural, and that's fine because that gives it more of an everyday look instead of I'm going somewhere look, which I feel like this look gives, but it's fine. So I just finished blending them out with my beauty blender, and I did spray it before I used it with this spray. This is the Urban Decay All Night Spray. So I'm blending it out with my foundation brush. This brush is from e.l.f. I got it from Target for $1. It's a quick pickup, cheap pickup. And I do spray my brush as well before I blend out my foundation. I'm just making sure that I blend out every corner so nothing looks patchy. So right now I'm taking that same concealer I used under my eyebrow and I'm going to be highlighting. I put that under my eye. I put that on my nose, on my chin, on my forehead. And again, I'm going to blend it out with that same beauty blender. If it dries out, I do like to keep my beauty blender damp, so I just keep spraying it throughout the process. Next, I'm gonna go in with my contouring cream. It is from Black Radiance Light to Medium palette. Again, you can get this from Target or CVS. Super affordable. I think it is $10 or $9.99 if I am correct. I'm also going to blend that out with my beauty blender. When I blend out my nose, I don't usually use the beauty blender. I do use my finger, so you'll see me use my finger here. I just feel like it gives it more of a blended look and more of a natural look. I don't feel like the beauty blender blends it out enough. So now I'm just going to set under my eye with benign powder. And I'm going to set my nose as well. And basically everywhere I put my highlighter. Again, carving out my nose so it can appear as thin as possible. And I'm going to carve under my contour so it gives a little bit more of a sharper look. Watch the process. So again, I'm going in with my NYX mascara. This is a super affordable mascara. It is $12. You can get it at your Target or CVS as well. Those are my top two places to get drugstore makeup, guys. So you will hear me talking about those places a lot. If you can afford a $30 mascara, this is the mascara to get, okay? It looks like I have false lashes on, and I don't. So this is why I like to wear it every day. I put it on my top and my bottom. Next, I'm going to be going in with this blush. It's actually an eyeshadow, but I use it as a blush. The blush that I usually use is from Sephora. It's more of a deep pink, and I just wanted something light, something cool and calm, So I used this one, and it actually worked out pretty good. Next, I'm going to be lining my lips with a brown liner. I just picked this up at my local beauty supply store. You can go in there and find liners, $1, super affordable. Next, I'm going to just blend it out with my finger. Sometimes that line can be super sharp, and I don't like my liner to be super sharp, but if you do, that's fine. I'm just going to blend mine out, and then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia lip gloss. I forget what color it is. I'll name it down below. But it's a really cute nude. Can you guys tell I'm tired? I freaking stood up all night to freaking film this, okay? Next, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. And again, I'm going to be using that same Juvias Place palette. Again, it has really great shades. And you can use this palette for multiple things. So I think that's an A plus on my list, okay? You know. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. I'm going to highlight my forehead and my nose and my brow bones and my chin. Because you need to be on fleek when you go outside. You need to be glowing. That's the vibes. It's summertime. That's what we're doing. Because if you're not glowing, you're doing something wrong. So I'm just using my finger here. It just gives a little bit more of a opaque look. And last but not least, I'm going to spray my face with the all-nighter spray. And that sets my face. And I promise you guys, it really gives a real-life filter look. I look like an Instagram filter in real life. Okay, guys? So if you follow these steps, okay, you will look like a baddie on a regular, all right? That's just what it is, all right? So just practice, practice, practice. Hopefully by my next video, this will already be locked down. All right, guys. So this is the finishing product. Excuse the man in the background. He's playing video games. But this is the finished look, and this is my everyday look. This is something I wear, like, if I'm going on, you know, like a lunch date. If I just got errands to run and I want to wear makeup, this is the look. Yeah. I love it. You know, it's just super simple. It's not too much. And yeah, if somebody hits you up like, yo, what you doing? And say you at the supermarket and you like, yo, what's up? Like, you ready to go out already. Like, you already look good. So yes, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you actually share it if you really feel